What's up, YouTube? It's your boy the Welding Machine coming back with a video. And as you guys can see, I painted the whole outside of the truck bed trailer. It's dry to the touch. Got the inside, got the outside sprayed all the way around. And then next we even got the tongue sprayed a little bit. Probably gonna touch it up. And then next we got the welding, the truck, Chevy C10 truck bed. We're gonna spray that one out. I'm gonna record it while I'm spraying it. We're gonna cover up the stacks. All right, guys, be right back. Alright, YouTube, that's what we got. Tailgate is complete. Bed liner spray. Here, look, we'll get in with the textures. Look at them textures on that shit, bro. Look at the textures on that. I put a picture right here. That's what the truck bed used to look like. Guess looks pretty darn good. Got the welding trailer truck bed done. Truck bed trailer done. I sprayed the inside already. I mean, that junk came out smooth, bro. Smooth. That definitely came out. I mean, it's my first time doing it, so that's not bad. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this video. It's a little short video. And then I covered up the stacks. You know, we can't let the traditional stacks get, you know, bed liner on it and whatnot. We even did a line around the truck. A bed liner. I mean, a light coat. But we still got some blue right here. What I'm gonna do is take a spray can, or whenever I paint the truck in, Pull it back up. I just turn the winch on and reel it back in. Well, yeah, 3 points of contact. Strap right here. You can stand on another crank. This strap is connected through the top, through where the engine hoist is, and then drilled a hole in the frame. Ran a strap from here to the side of the bed to support it on all 3 sides. So you got one going across, so it keeps from going back. The ones in the back, right there and right there, to keep it coming this way. We're gonna have the lead bolted up right here, and the lead bolted up over there. I mean, just to hold it up and whatnot, but that's what we got. It's stable. It takes up a whole lot of space. Happy I don't have to put this on the back of my truck bed because I did not want to drill no holes. I already drilled enough holes on my truck bed. But alright, so let's start on that. Yeah, so we'll be right back. Peace. Some lead holders. You know, something cheap and inexpensive to hold my leads. We're going to be using today. We got it set to about 210, 22 volts, about 300 wire feet. We're going to set up a little tack assembly and we'll get right back. We got the plate. So the plate obviously needs to be bolted down to the floor like so. We're going to have it like this. We're going to put the level on top. So, we'll get a reading where we need to put it. We're going to put the tack on this side. What's up, YouTube? It's Welding Machine. Update on the video. The pipe stands for the lead holders worked out really well. That's what they look like. You know, I didn't put too much weld on it because it's not gonna hold nothing major. I mean, it don't look too great, but I mean, it's just something to hold it. I mean, I welded the bottom too. I put grade A bolts. Probably didn't even have to do that, but I welded it all the way around and bolted it down. But that's what it looks like. I mean, that's new leads, that's old leads. That's why this side looks cleaner than this side. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, getting the welding rig together. I might have to buy some new leads or anything. But yeah, that's what we got so far. The leads and everything, they turned out pretty good. They're easier. Those right there came out pretty good. You're gonna see the video on that. That's just to strap the welder down, and then I got another strap running from the side of the bed to the welder to keep it from God forbid anything happening. This strap right here holds it from going that way. These two straps on this side and on the other side keep it from slamming against the wall. But yep, that's what it looks like, y'all. Stay tuned. Welding Machine out. Fudge, I got that black on there. Oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Chevy truck.